So today we have season up some pork, and what we're gonna use for this pork is some Maggi and jerk all-purpose seasoning, along with some tomato, scallion, thyme, onion. We have red and green bell pepper. Is that all? And some garlic. Don't forget the garlic. I didn't have any ginger. I also have some pimento seed. So the pork was washed with some lime and some salt and some lemon juice. So to the clean pork, we're gonna grate some nutmeg. I don't have no ginger, so I'm just using the spices that I have. So we're gonna grate some nutmeg onto that pork. I'm also going to add some Maggi Season-Up jerk seasoning to this pork. And I'm going to go in with some Maggi Season-Up all-purpose season. This season is so good. Now I'm going to move this out of the way so that we can get the cutting board for cut up with natural herbs, vegetables, and spices. So I'm going to go in with some scallion first. So I chop the scallion in half, and then I'm going to finely chop the scallion. Guys, you can also use like a bottle, something hard, to beat the scallion to release the flavor and just put it in like that without cutting it. But today I am going in by cutting the scallion, and then we're gonna add that to the pork. And there's no sound because there was a dog making some noise, so I have up to doing a voice over. So after that, I'm going to go in my onions. One of the onion kind of looks spoiled, but I eat where I work with. So here I'm just fast forwarding the video so that you guys don't get bored. And one of my onion in the middle light spoil. So I'm just dig it out, rinse it off, and come back and just finish cut it up. So some of the vegetable that we're adding is onion. I have some green bell pepper, and yes, I wash them. Then I cut the middle, and then if there's seed, I also use the seed because the seed hold a lot of flavor. For those who didn't know, just like pepper, the seed hold a lot of flavor. I have some cherry tomatoes, so I'm using those because that's what I got from the farm. Yeah, that feel good. So we're going in with a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm also going to use the seed from the Scotch bonnet pepper because you know once a pork we need it for spicy. So we're gonna add all this nice fresh vegetables and some pimento seed. We're crush it though because we release all the flavor to the pork. So this pork was seasoned a day before I cooked it. And yes, so we're gonna season, marinate for